you on a hot day like today, you ever wanted to stay in the AC instead of be out here in the hot? Me too. Well, we got you covered here at Feagin Truck and Trailer. Wireless remote on your dump trailer will keep you out the heat. Check this out. So this is the wireless controller. It comes with the module, the antenna, and 2 wireless remotes. What I'm doing today is converting this 6x12 Hawke into a wireless remote, and that will work in tandem with the manual remote. What I've done so far, I've got my battery terminal cables already with 2 nut grommets on them, as well as my solenoid wire, and then I'm going to splice our up and down solenoid wires to land on the solenoids themselves. To start, I'll go ahead and disconnect battery terminal from the black. So black goes to black. Try to arrange everything so that once it's in its final position, it's going to fit smoothly. We'll go back with our washer and our lock washer and get that wired in together. Just getting it hand tight for now. Now that that's snug, we'll jump over to our red. So we're going to this red terminal, which a good indicator for that, black is going to land here, red is going to land here. And when I say black and red, that's just the 2 main control wires coming from your 12-volt battery. So instead of placing an extension, because we're kind of limited on the length of our wires, I'm just going to try to keep everything local and tight so it's got a nice finish to it. There we go. Just snug enough to stay tight. Alrighty. Get our other cable out of the way. Our control wire does have power now. Now I need to get ready for this one. Opening up my splicing connectors. Blue is going to splice on the red here. Get that where it splices together. I actually don't like where that one's seated, so I'm going to scoot this one back just a touch. I want it to be only on the wire.
That's the main thing too.
That's it. That's exactly it. Isn't that a good pinch?
So you didn't have to strip that red wire at all. You just put that little blue thing and that connects the two together.
That's right. It gives it more professional finish. You're not tearing up your equipment or splicing the wrong wire and having to go back and adjust and fix that.
It's handy dandy.
It is. This one here we're going to get a little freer. We're going to splice in as well. Well, not splice it, but add our little handy dandy jumper splice it. You can always have your stuff ready. Yeah. So, coming from that way. Get our green wire seated there.
Sorry.
Get our green wire seated.
Yeah.
Very clean. Keeps all your wires secure and protected. For our final wire, we're going to land it directly on the solenoid. And our orange is going to go to our white. Which I already have prepared for install. Get this mounted with some face tape. Help it really stick to the equipment. And I'm going to need some scissors for that. Place this on the back of the controller just to give it that extra grip. So,
got it up.
I'll turn it this way. Get all our wires where I can tidy them up. Sit firmly, give it a little push, a little wiggle, really get that tape to seat, and that is on there. Miss Monica, if you want to step out a little bit. So at this point, before I hook the antenna up, I'm gonna test to make sure my wiring is correct. All I'm gonna do is use the manual controls on the controller here. So we'll go up works, down works, and now we got our antenna here. We're gonna unpackage. Location is not a crazy factor. You just want to make sure it's somewhere that the controller can communicate with the antenna. Where I like to run it is along with all the other wires inside this trailer. And there's spots on this trailer to run this wiring. Run it all the way through. I'll make all the magic happen outside of all this. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to grab our controller. Make sure our controller is paired. Just place the pairing mode. It's definitely working. Hands-free. That's when I say a job well done.
Woohoo!
We'll tidy up some of our wires just to make it have that extra fit finish, but I'll show you that in just 1 second.
So where did you put where is the antenna gonna stay? Where's it gonna live?
It's gonna live right there.
Oh, okay.
It's got a magnet on it,
Oh, cool.
and it'll stay right there.
Gotcha. All right.
Most of the operation is going to be from the driver's side of the vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
So placed it on the driver's side of the dump trailer so that it communicates well with the controller. But I'm going to tidy everything up and we'll see how it looks from there. Tee that up with a little bit of black tape.
Right there.
Yep.
Yeah, looks good.
Tell you what, you can't beat that.